Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the string methods. But before moving forward, I just wanted to discuss that JavaScript strings are immutable. So what exactly do I mean by that? So if I just do let message equals to hello world. All right, so this is our message. Now, in the last video, we have seen something like this. So message of 0. So it will give us the first character. Okay. So in our case, if I just do something like this, so let's do message of 0, okay, equals to something like M. And now we will just console log the message. So what do you think will happen? So if I just save that, as you can see, we are still getting hello world. Strings are immutable. In case if you want to change some certain characters inside of the string, what you have to do, you have to create a new string to do so. Okay, so strings are immutable. All right, so now let's learn about some of the methods which the JavaScript strings offers. All right, so I will just comment out this one. So whenever we want to call a method, what we have to do, we have to first basically have to add the variable or the string itself as well. So I will show it to you in a moment. So let's do message dot, and then as you can see inside of the VS Code, we are getting many of the auto completions. So in our case, what we want to do is that we want to make everything inside of the hello world uppercase. So in that case, what we have a method called toUpperCase. Okay, and we have to add the parenthesis. All right, in case if you do not add the parenthesis, this will not work. And why it will not work, we will see that when we will be discussing about the methods and the functions in JavaScript. Okay, so basically we are calling a function or a method here by adding these parentheses here. Okay, so if I just do that, we are still getting hello world. So to print that, what we have to do, we can do something like this: message dot, then toUpperCase. So we are now getting hello world. But once again, strings are immutable. So if I just do something like this, so clg of message, as you can see, the original message string is not modified at all. We are getting a new string here. All right. So here we can do toUpperCase. Also, we can do toLowerCase as well. So clg of to, let's do message dot toLowerCase, not this one. Okay, if I just do that, as you can see, we are getting this one here. All right, so in that way, we can uppercase the string characters or the lowercase the string characters. Okay, then what we have another method which is called trim. So now let's declare another variable called color. So let color equals to blue, and I will add some of the spaces here in the beginning and at the end. All right, now this is a valid string basically. Okay, so I will just do something like this. All right, console log of color. So if I just do that, as you can see, we are getting blue here. So in order to remove all of the spaces from the beginning and at the end, we can use a trim method. So we can do something like this. So dot trim, and it will remove all of the spaces. So as you can see, we are getting blue here. Okay, so there is no space here and here. Also, in case if we want to uppercase this one, so what we can do, we can just add another dot here. So toUpperCase. Okay, so we are getting blue here. All right, so this is how we can chain different methods and get some interesting results here. Okay, all right, so we are having this one here. Okay, now one thing to point out here, this trim method will not get rid of the spaces inside of the string itself. So if I just add some spaces here, as you can see, these spaces are there inside of the this particular variable string here. Okay, all right, I hope that makes sense. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just remove these spaces here. So all right, in this video we have discussed about the immutability of the strings, and we have discussed some string methods such as toUpperCase, toLowerCase, and the trim method. Okay, in the next video we will discuss some more string methods. Okay, all right.